guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make some bunny earrings. So we're just going to start off with some conditioned clay and taking 1 part white and 1.5 part translucent clay. So I'm mixing that all together just to make sure it's all nice and blended, and then I'm going to start pinching one of the top ends into a point and curving that up slightly to be the neck of our bunny. Then you're going to be taking a smaller bit of clay and you're going to be pinching one of the ends to be about where his nose is going to be. So then we're just going to roll out a thin piece of white clay. This is going to be for his legs, either side of his body, so make sure they're not too thin, and I'm just sitting them on top of that like that. So then you want to roll some teeny tiny little circles, and this is going to be the ball of his leg. Now I know this is a bit out of focus, but just bear with me. So at the moment I'm making his ears with just some more of that same clay that we mixed at the start, and I'm pretty much just making a very long teardrop shaped piece of clay, and then I'm just making that nice and long, and then I'm taking some light pink clay and putting that in the middle of the ears. And now I'm making 2 dots for the eyes and taking a small bit of black clay and just putting those in the indents that I just made. So now I've taken some light pink clay, and this is going to be for his nose. Now I've also taken a small bit of that same clay, and this is going to be for his arms. It's around the same length as what his legs were. So I've just put his head onto his body and I've just smoothed it down just so it doesn't move, and now I'm just putting his ears on the back of his head nice and straight. So now I'm making the carrot. I'm starting off with some orange clay and just moving that into a bit of a teardrop shape, and then putting some indents on it before putting some light green clay on the tippy top of it. So now I'm going to be putting the eye pin into the top of my bunny. Make sure you do this very, very carefully because you can squish his head when you're putting the eye pin in, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to quickly make my second one off camera because once again I am making earrings, so I do need to make 2 of them, but if you are making this as a charm you only need to do 1. I did also wanted to quickly mention that I do have my own Etsy store, so if you do like some of the things that I have made in the past, please be sure to check out my Etsy. The link is down below. So then just bake according to package's instructions, and once they are all baked, this is what mine look like, and I am about to put the chain onto the eye pin, and I've just done that by having a jump ring at the bottom connecting it to the eye pin, the chain, and then at the top another jump ring connecting it to the fish hook. The video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.